Well, hi guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm going to show you how to install a metal cutting blade. This is just a skill saw blade, and I know it's kind of rusty, but it's brand new. It's just, it was in my shed before I got it closed in. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to install this on my Echo string trimmer that I got out of the dump. Now the first thing you got to know is that there is a slot right here on the side, and you need a drift pin of some sort, and then down inside there, I don't know if you can see that or not. Can you see in there? If I tip you over, look at that. See right in there? There's a hole right there. And you stick your drift pin in there. Whoa! Hold on to your hats there, fellas. And then you turn this clockwise, not counterclockwise. It's not lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. This case, it's righty-loosey. And I had to use a big pair of pliers to loosen this up. Did I say a big pair of pliers? Yes, sir, a big pair of pliers. Because that puppy was on there nice and tight. So, now, holding my pin in there to keep that from spinning, I'm going to just screw this puppy right off of there. Just like that. Now, I went out and I bought myself a kit that they make. This one happens to be a 1PZ. And it has a screwdriver and a wrench, with double-ended wrench, and it also has an Allen wrench with a rounded end on it, and I'm just taking this out of the package now. See that? Yes, sir. And then we put these tools down so I get the rest of it out of the package here. Then it has this dooflicky like this, and this serrated washer like this, and it has this locking nut here. Now, we'll have to take this little unit here off. You don't want all that stuff. See how that's serrated down in there? Yes, sir. I believe what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here, except it doesn't fit. Naturally it doesn't fit. Why would it fit? And I'm going to see if the nut fits. And yes, the nut does fit. So the question is, this is going to go down on here like that. Why do I even need all of that baloney? Why can't I just put this back on here like it was? Then put my saw blade on here like it was. I can put this right on over that, just like that. And tighten the whole mess back in there. Well, part of the problem is I've got to be able to get this blade centered in there. So I need an adapter to go in there. which does not come in the kit, obviously. But it just so happens that I have a saw blade adapter kit. So hold on to your hats. Well, here's the saw blade bushing set, but it won't work. Plan B. So, because I didn't have the right shim to go in there, I found a washer that fits, and it also does not fit inside the hole on the saw blade, but it fits within the triangle so that I can get it to center itself. And I'm just going to tack this puppy on here. So I got to get it centered nicely. And once I get it centered, as closely as we can get it, we're going to put a couple of tacks of weld on there. And of course the wire pushed the washer. So that ain't gonna be good. Need to clamp that puppy. Let's see if we can get that thing off of there now. No, the old saying is, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. That's exactly what we're going to do. Maybe this time, instead of using a washer, a magnet, I'll just hold that thing in place. See if I can do this. Yes, sir. We got it. All right then. I think that'll hold it. The next question is, will it be concentric? We won't put the welder away quite yet because I have a couple other things I need to do with it while I've got it out. And I'll take you along with me when I do them. How's that? Let me wire wheel that a little bit, and I'll bring you right back. Well, there it is, all mounted on there. Well, you can't see it on that side, but it's only 7¼ inch blade, so it doesn't stick out a whole lot, which limits its ability to the size of the tree it can cut. But it does work. It wobbles a little bit because the blade warped a hair when we welded the sleeve in the middle. But let me show you, it does work. And this is our dump string trimmer. So there you have it. It does the job. I will definitely be checking the bolt on it to make sure it stays tight. And I think I may go for a bigger blade so I can go for bigger items. You know what I'm saying? So there you have it. Till next time, this is George, the shade. Well, you know, I'm going to take you over, and as I have been doing, showing you some highlights from our chicken ranch here at Shady Acres. So just hold on to your hats now. As you can see, we have lots of greenery, and you can tell I am the shade tree fix-it man after all. And it's appropriate that we live on what I have named Shady Acres. And as we walk across the back here, you're going to notice that we have a new little chicken coop. It's not one I built, just one I assembled. My wife bought it as a kit because we had some chicks that were in the house, and where are they? They're not outside. That were too big to stay in the house. And we have more in there because they keep coming, you know. She informed me today that once this batch is gone, and there they are. These are the guys. And that one right there drinking, that's Stripes. And most of his stripe is gone except on the back of his head. Can you say hello to us, Stripes? Huh? And the one in the background there, I don't know if you can see her or not. This one right back in here. Come on, girls and boys. Come on. Come on, come on. This one right here, I've named this one Patches. Not sure if it's a she or a he. This big guy here, pretty sure he's a rooster. So yeah, this is our new little pen. And you can see there are, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicks out here. We have 3 more that are a week or so old now, maybe going on 2 weeks old. That'll be coming out next week. And we have 3 more new hatchlings. Here's some of our full-grown ones. Let's do an investigation here. Oh, this is my old pal Colonel Buffington. Hey, Colonel. He doesn't like me to get too close to him during the daytime, but I'll tell you, at night he sits up on here. Well, hello there. How are you? Huh? She's very curious. Here's one sitting down in here, probably laying an egg right now. That's the one we call Goldie. She's black with gold flecks on her. I think this one is Chicken Little. Yeah, how are you, huh? I'll take you inside and we'll check and see if there's, maybe we'll be blessed with having another chick. We haven't been having a new one every day or every other day for the last few days, so that there are 3 fairly newborn chicks. Let's go in here and see. See now, sorry for the shaky cam, but that's Henny Penny back in the corner there. She's the one that has been setting most recently. Hello, Chicken Little. How are you? Huh? She's coming over. She's probably going to get herself a drink. Well, let me put my kneeling stool down here. If I can hold you while I reach in underneath and lift up Henny Penny. Oh, well, there's 8 eggs there, but no chicks today, at least not yet anyway. She doesn't mind me petting her right now. She's one of the more friendly ones. Hello. So that's the way things are here on the chicken ranch at Shady Acres. Yep, we're waiting for her probably in the next day or two. We're going to have to move her and all of her eggs because we need to clean the coop out. It's getting pretty disgusting in here. And with warm weather coming, it's going to get worse instead of better. So until next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And can you say goodbye to the folks, Henny Penny? Huh? Say goodbye. Bye now.